Hello students, good morning to all of you and welcome back to all of you to my next English class. This is your Nupur ma'am. I hope all of you are fine in your home and without delaying our time I will start my today's English class. As I have completed the last lesson conjunction as you know, and I hope you are enjoying my videos. You all see the videos last whatever I have given you the examples of conjunctions, classifications and their uses, and you can see this was your last day practice work. I have given you a practice on conjunction, right? So I hope you have done it, and this was fill in the blanks with proper conjunction taking from the bracket, and before it I have given you the lots of examples of various kinds of conjunctions, and last I have completed 3 types of conjunctions, and last day I have completed correlative and subordinative conjunctions. So these are the examples with all kinds of conjunctions, right? So this was your last day practice work, so please check it out. I hope you have done in your home, so please check it down. See, you will not succeed as you attain to your studies. There I have given the examples unless or if, so you can understand there should be unless. I hope you remember what is the uses of unless, when you can use unless. You will not succeed dash means unless you attend to your studies. There should not be if, okay? There will be unless. Why should be unless? I hope you understand, right? Next, bread dash butter is wholesome food, and or but bread and butter is wholesome food. Actually they should be like bread and butter. You can write it like this also: bread and butter are both wholesome food. Okay. Then next, the sun is larger than the earth. There is a comparison. I hope you remember there is a comparison. The sun is larger than the earth right? Next, he waited till the bus arrived. Till or if, I hope you remember the uses of till. Sorry, I hope you can understand why did I give till. Okay, so he waited till the bus arrived. There is a waiting and there is a time of extent of time, right? I hope you remember. See, next, is a story true, false, and or is a story within one time there should be any one, so true or false. Okay, next, Rahul tried hard but he failed, and or but he tried hard but he failed. Next, India played well yet they failed, yet or so. Yet should be there. I hope you remember where you can use yet, where there is a certain means yet they failed. There is a you're thinking, okay, you're not sure but you're thinking, okay? So I hope you remember. I have given the uses of yet. Okay, next, dash Shuman is intelligent, he is not industrious. Though or if, where you can use though. Though Shuman is intelligent, he is not industrious. Jodio, right? You know this word in Bengali, jodio. Jodio Shuman is intelligent, jodio Shuman buddhiman, he is not industrious. I hope you understand. Okay, so uses of though and although, uses of if, right? So this was your last day practice work. So today I have added some more practice work for you. These are little bit different. Fill in the blanks with appropriate conjunctions. These are also same question, but there you not get any examples. Before it last day I have given you the examples. Today this is one kind of practice. There I am not giving you any conjunction. You have to understand what should be there. Definitely I will help you. See, I finished first, but I finished first that I began late. What conjunction should be there? You have to understand. I finished first dash I began late. Dash you work hard, you will succeed. Dash you work hard, you will succeed. Do dash die. Do or die. You can understand what should be there. 2 dash 2 make 4. 2 and 2 make 4. Like this. I think you can understand. Like, you have to understand which conjunction should be there. I was punished dash I was guilty. Wait dash I return. He does not know dash Mr. Ghosh will be there. Is he Mr. Dash dash Mr. Kapoor? Leave dash late leave. Okay. Man proposes that dash God disposes. Dash he is poor. He is not dishonest. Samir knows you better dash Bablu. There is a comparison, right, between two. The glass will break dash you drop it. This is not true dash I can see. Dash Vishu dash his father was present. I hope you remember neither nor either or. There are two blanks. Okay, means you can understand neither nor, either or both and, such as. Okay, I have given these examples in my first in my one video. There I have discussed you about the conjunctions. Okay, so you can see the videos. If you can't remember the all uses, so you can see that video and you can see there the uses of this, right, where you can use this and examples you will get there. Okay, so don't worry. If you have any problem to understand, definitely ask me. These are very easy. Okay, these are examples and you have to remember all the uses if you are facing any problem. So definitely go to the video and see again the uses, see again the examples. Definitely you can understand. Okay, so this is one kind of practice work. I hope you can see. You can pause your video and write down in your copy, and definitely you can see the photos where I have given this same practice work. Okay, I have attached this practice work by photo also. Okay, you can see there. Next, one another practice work I have made for you. See, complete each sentence using the subordinating conjunction from the brackets. There you will get only subordinating conjunction, and of course you will get the options in bracket. Before it last day you have practiced with the options, but there were two options, right? But today you will get more than two options, 1, 3 or 4, like this. Okay, so basically I have given you 3 options. Sorry, you have to choose from those 3, right? See, only subordinating conjunctions are there. There are nothing other conjunctions. Okay, I hope you remember subordinate conjunction. Okay, I visit the Grand Canyon dash I go to Arizona. See, once or whenever or wherever. Actually these 3 conjunctions, about these 3 conjunctions I didn't tell you in the examples, but I am telling right now. Once, where you can use once, and where you can use whenever, any time, whenever you are showing any time you can use whenever, and wherever, about a place you can use wherever, right? So I visit the Grand Canyon whenever I go to Arizona. You can understand here should be a time, right? Here is a time. Okay, so there should be whenever. First I already told you, right? Next, this is the place dash we stayed last time we visited. I told you whenever you are where it shows place, when it shows time, and how. This is showing you the process or manner. Okay, how you did it, right? So I hope this all of this WH words meaning already I have told this meaning, and already I have told the uses of this WH words where you can use this. You can see it in the video of one sentence whenever I was giving you the interrogative sentence and transformation of the sentence. On that moment I have told you the uses of this WH words. Okay, next. Dash you win first place, you will receive a prize. Wherever, if, unless. You have to understand which of this is correct. You win first prize, you will receive a prize. Okay, next. You won't pass the test, dash you study. When, if, or unless. These three of conjunctions, the uses, so you have to do it. Next. I could not get a seat, dash I came early. See, as, though, when. You know the examples of this conjunction, and you know the uses of these conjunctions, where you can use though, where you can when. I could not get a seat, I came early. Many of you can say, ma'am, this is showing a time, but definitely I will say you, please give a notice on the sentence, give a glance on the sentence. I could not get a seat, I came early. Ami tatari esheo ami seat paini. So you can understand what should be the Bengali. Okay, so which example, which option should be there, you have to understand, right? Next. We are leaving Wednesday, dash or not it rains. If, whether or though. Whether, where you can use whether, I have told you whether, where you can use, right? Next. Pay attention to your work, dash you will not make mistakes. So that, unless, or. Okay. She is honest, dash everyone trusts her. She is honest if, so, or when. Write this down, dash you forget, or when, or lest. This is lest, lest. You know the example of lest and where you can use lest. Okay, so write this down, dash you forget. What should be? You have to give an answer. You have to give the answer. Next. The musicians delivered a rousing performance, dash they had rehearsed often, though as once. Okay, so this is your practice work. This is also your practice work. This page also I have attached by a photo with this video. So from here also you can pause your video and you can write down the examples in your copy, and please do this all and send it to the comment box. Okay, this is your practice work and this is your homework, so you have to do this all and you have to send me in the comment box. Okay, then I will wait for you, and please do it. If there will be any problem to understand, you can ask me anytime by comment. I will give you definitely the reply. Okay, then wait for the next video and enjoy your day, and do this homework and send it to the comment box. Okay, till then, thank you so much. Bye bye.